Now Amin is a cook with his own unique ideas. So unique, John, to be honest, I'm not even sure what it is he's doing right now. Now Amin's got a blue swimmer crab. It's got the swimming leg, and he's doing that with tempura batter. Then we've got a claw, which is going to be dipping in salty duck egg. Then he's taken the head and he's making a Chinese dumpling mixture, and then he's going to deep fry it. He's then making a curry sauce, which is using the brown meat from the crab in to give it real depth, and he's serving the whole lot on rice. I've had lots of crabs in my life, but I've never seen anything like this.
The name is like crab anatomy.
Crab anatomy?
Yeah.
The anatomy of a crab?
Exactly. Yeah, because I'm a medical doctor, so I have done a bit like dissection of animals, including humans. I want to show that I use the whole crab.
How are you going to present this dish now, Amin?
It's basically a board. So I'm going to say that the shell, that the claw, you know, like when you do the biology textbook, basically.
Are you ready?
I'm going to plate it up in 1 minute.
Naramin is cooking crab anatomy.
What the hecky-decky is that?
Is the dissecting board.
Just pork and prawn stuffed crab shell, crab claw coated with salted egg yolk, crab meat in creamy curry sauce, served with Thai jasmine rice.
3 minutes left.
I will be absolutely on time, I think.
I love this. I think this is fantastic.
Brilliant.
Crab anatomy might be the single least appetizing 2 words I've ever seen on a menu. Sounds like a sort of autopsy.
Wow, look at that. This is quite incredible now, Amin. Go get him.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you. Oh, labels. Well, I can honestly say this doesn't look like anything I've ever been served before.
The presentation was certainly original. It was fun. I thought that crab curry was sort of delicate and quite silken, nice chili hit. This is a cook who knows his textures and his flavours. It's very good indeed.
There's some seriously good flavours here, and we will remember it when all the other politer dishes have faded from our memory. We will remember this one.
I think full marks for originality and a certain macabre quality.
It looks fantastic, it's intriguing, and it's delicious. And as all good crab dishes go, there's a perfect combination of sweet crab meat and saltiness. We've got a serious, serious talent on our hands. And he's done all that in 1 hour and 15 minutes, Greg.
I'm feeling happy. Oh, I just like gave everything that I have and put my personality on the plate. So I hope they loved it.